Kanama! I'm sorry. It's Kanama! Okay, put your hands up where I can see them and don't move. Yeah, what do you want? Okay, give me all your money right now. Do you take credit card? No, I don't take credit card. What are you doing? Get back there. Don't make me shoot you. I was just gonna go get some money from the bank. Hey, you want a drink? Strawberry tamarind? Orange juice. Okay, you gotta have this. Right there. Mom, no, I don't want a drink, okay? Okay, shit. Jeez, just trying to help. Go fish. We're not playing go fish. This is a robbery. Get with it. Poor Smelly. I gotta call. He did what? Oh my god, I can't believe that they did that. I didn't even know they were a couple. Since when? No way. No. Wait 1 second. Yes? Don't you get what it means to be in a robbery? You can't talk on the phone. There's gonna pop a cap in your head and you're gonna die. Okay, I gotta go. I'm sorry. This guy's like, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, call you later, homie. See. Tell about it. You know what? I'm gonna tell you. Where did you go? Oh, you Simpsons, you crack me up. What are you doing? Get back there. How did you even get out? Okay, I'm coming back. Chill. I was just watching some TV. Okay, call you later, buddy. Peace. Orange juice.